The Borzoi, also known as the Russian wolfhound, is a breed of elegance and grace, tracing its roots to the vast expanses of Russia. With its long, slender body and silky coat, the Borzoi embodies aristocratic beauty and agility. Originally bred for hunting wolves, these regal hounds possess keen eyesight and remarkable speed. Despite their noble heritage, Borzoi are gentle and affectionate companions, forming deep bonds with their families and enchanting all with their majestic presence. The Gordon Setter, with its striking black and tan coat and noble expression, is a breed steeped in history and tradition. Originating from Scotland, these graceful setters were bred for their keen scenting ability and unwavering determination in the field. Despite their regal appearance, Gordon Setters are known for their gentle and affectionate nature, making them beloved companions and loyal family members. Their intelligence and loyalty shine brightly, enriching the lives of those fortunate enough to share their company. The American Staffordshire Terrier, often misunderstood, is a breed of remarkable loyalty and affection. With its muscular build and confident demeanor, this terrier exudes strength and resilience. Originally bred for farm work and later as a companion dog, the Amstaff thrives in loving homes where it receives proper training and socialization. Despite its tough exterior, this breed is known for its gentle and loving nature towards its family, making it a cherished companion and steadfast protector. The Silky Terrier, a delightful blend of elegance and spunk, is a breed that captivates with its silky blue and tan coat and perky ears. Originating from Australia, these small but mighty dogs were bred as companions and skilled vermin hunters. Despite their toy-like appearance, Silky Terriers possess a brave heart and a keen intelligence. Their playful nature and affectionate disposition make them cherished members of families, bringing joy and laughter wherever they go. The Cardigan Welsh Corgi, beloved for its long body, fox-like expression, and distinctive tail, is a breed steeped in Welsh folklore and history. Originally bred as herding dogs, Cardigans are known for their intelligence, agility, and strong herding instincts. Despite their small stature, they possess a bold and confident demeanor. Their playful personality and unwavering loyalty make them cherished companions, enriching the lives of their families with their boundless energy and affectionate nature.